Hi guys, this is Pearl and today I'm showing you how I did this simple Marichat drawing. Basically this is how you start. I started with the base color and then I start over detailing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. After giving the base color for the skin, just choose a more darker shade than what your skin tone is, and then given in the places where the light is less or where the parts you want to make it darker. Just like here I have done under the neck, you can see. So this is the simple techniques you can learn for doing skin color. I colored the hair and the clothes in the same way. You can see, just fill in the darker shades where you want. Talking about the clothes, I did the same thing. There are almost, you choose 3 tones for every base color. Like for the skin, I chose a medium tone, a more darker and a lighter. Talking about hair, I did the same thing. Darker, lighter and a medium tone. When it comes to art, coloring isn't the only thing you need to focus on. Shading is also an important part of drawing. Just smudge the colors well. If you don't smudge the colors well, it will be a waste of your talent. Because if your drawing is nice, your coloring is nice, but the shading or you don't smudge it well, it will just look like not that good. But if you smudge the colors well and try to make it more smooth, try to make the shading more smooth, then it will make an attractive look. So focus on the shading too. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments, was this video even a little bit helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.